Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technology Inbuilt. So today is the third episode of a series Editing with DK. So today I'll be showing you how to create fake bokeh effect in your image. So with that being said, do like this video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing content like this. So now let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open Snapseed, import the image which you have to edit. So over here I'll be choosing this picture. Now go into the double exposure in the tools option, and now go into the Chrome and search for fake bokeh, and now go into the images. Now select the image which you like over here. This picture goes look. So let's scroll. So you can choose any picture from here. After downloading the picture, just go into the double exposure, import the image, and now select it to lightning and change the opacity. After done with the opacity, click on the right option to apply the changes. Now click on the view edits, and now click on the brush tool. Now click on this invert and take the exposure level to 0, and now erase the part which is on the main object. So as you can see, we have created the fake bokeh effect. So like this, you can use this technique in any image to create the fake bokeh. So guys, this was all for this video. See you in my next tutorial, and to stay tuned with this series, do subscribe and turn the notification on, and see you. Bye bye. Thank you.